extra day of deliberations was not enough for the jury in the Thomas Pop murder trial. They remain deadlocked. Good evening. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Jessica Bowman.
And I'm Matt Breen. With the jury unable to reach a unanimous verdict, the judge in the case declared a mistrial this afternoon. The announcement came just before 3 o'clock this afternoon after 6 days of testimony and 3 days of deliberation.
Victim Terri McCauley's family was in the courtroom for the announcement of the mistrial. KTV's Kaylee Doms joins us live from the Woodbury County Law Enforcement Center tonight. So Kaylee, how did the family react to this news?
Yeah, Matt and Jessica, very hard day. Another very hard day for Terri McCauley's family. There's no denying that this family has been through so much since Terri was killed almost 43 years ago. Now, I spoke to Mike McCauley, Terri's brother. He said his parents' only wish before they died was that the family continued to fight for justice for Terri. That's something they have continued to do. Now, he told me for decades he fought this fight alone, knocking on countless county attorneys' doors, begging for someone to give this family a seat at the table. His search for answers stalled for decades until County Attorney James Loomis took office. Matt and Jessica, James Loomis gave this family that seat.
We wanted to be heard. We had questions. We wanted answers.
After losing hope for decades.
Since 1983, we went through county attorney after county attorney.
And no one willing to look at Terri McCauley's case.
And with the last county attorney, there was the same results. We don't have anything to offer you. And when that county attorney lost to Mr. Loomis, we again knocked on the door. We again asked to be heard, and he did that for us. He met with us.
Justice requires a guilty verdict because he murdered Terri McCauley.
This month, the 1983 shotgun slaying case finally going before a Woodbury County jury. Something Terri McCauley's mother died waiting for, finally achieved.
And before she died, she called me in her bedroom and she told me, I'm not feeling good, and I'm running out of time. And I don't think I'm going to get the answers that I need for Terri.
Over 40 years after Terri's death, a Woodbury County grand jury indicting Thomas Dwayne Pop. But after weeks of testimony and deliberations.
Under the rules of criminal procedure, the court orders a mistrial.
A hung, deadlocked jury led to a mistrial.
But I think the anticipation is nothing changes. This mistrial did not exonerate this individual, and I anticipate the charges remain the same.
For the McCauley family, the closure they have fought 42 years for remains just out of reach.
Although we're not completely done, we were heard. We had a voice at the table.
As for what's next in this case, Matt and Jessica, Woodbury County Attorney James Loomis has 90 days to decide whether or not he will retry Thomas Dwayne Pop in front of a new jury. For the time being, Pop will remain in Woodbury County custody. As for Terri Ray McCauley's family, they say justice has not been served, but Matt and Jessica, James Loomis gave this family a seat at the table.
KTIV's Kaylee Doms live for us outside the Woodbury County Law Enforcement Center. Kaylee, thanks for the update.